Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my Euro GBP trading plan with you. I have taken my position already below this candle. So when market penetrated below the low of this candle, I took my sell positions. And there are only three ideas behind my sell position of Euro GBP. One is this double repo pattern. If you look at uh, this line, this is a 3 by 3 simple moving average, and if you look at the kind of movement we have here on Euro GBP, so this bullish movement is fast enough to make a background for a double repo pattern. So market actually uh, closed below this 3 by 3 moving average, closed above, and then closed below. So technically it completed double repo right here. However, this movement to the downside here was should not be taken into account because this took place during the last hour of the day when market when candles form even because of spread widening. So we cannot rely on these movements of last hours of the day. So market again started moving to the upside, then made another high and now closed back below the 3 by 3 moving average. So this candle closed below moving average and market completed the double repo pattern. So I was looking for further downward movement, for further confirmation, and then I took my position right when the low of this candle was broken. So the low of this candle was 0.86738, so I took position around 0.86735, and market is now falling. My target is 50, so 50 is the 50% of whole move up from this low to this high. So the technical scenario here is double repo pattern. There is another technical scenario which we can see on daily time frame. This vertical line is a line drawn on February 24th, when Russia invaded Ukraine, and ever since then Euro GBP has been in range of this Bollinger Band. So if you look at the condition right now, the market has crossed Bollinger Bands. So upper band has been penetrated to the upside and price is trading away above the upper band, which is why there is a high chance of market coming back and touching the midline. So even longer picture like the picture on the daily time frame is supporting the downward movement. And if we talk about the fundamental situation, both economies like UK economy and European economy, both are equally impacted by Russia-Ukrainian war. So we can trade themselves against each other, and we can see such kind of ranging movement inside the Bollinger Band. So that's all about this trade. And if you're watching now, you can take the sell position now and you can target this 50 area, or you can place a sell limit around this area like 86.73, and maybe market can retrace to the upside in another few minutes, and your sell limit could be hit. So this is how I suggest to trade Euro GBP today. Let's talk about the risk now. If market goes to the upside and if any 1 hour candle closes above this 3 by 3 moving average again, then this setup will be invalidated and we can exit the positions according to this invalidation on the 1 hour time frame. However, if you want to trade according to this Bollinger Band on daily time frame, then you should wait for the daily candle closure, and then the SL and TP will be totally different from what I talk about on 1 hour time frame. If we are gonna trade this on daily time frame, and if we just consider the double repo pattern of 1 hour as just a triggering factor for the beginning of the bears, then we can simply target this midline, and this midline is giving the price level of 85.34 right now, which can slightly move to the upside or downside a little by the daily close daily closing will take place. So instead of placing TP, you should simply wait for the price to touch this midline, or you can place a TP something like 5-10 pips, something around 5 or 10 pips above the current this price like 85.33. So you can place your TP around 0.8543. And if I talk about the exit plan in case of upward movement, you should wait for any daily candle closing above this high. If market moves to the upside and daily candle closes above this high, then this setup will also be invalidated. So these are the two ideas how we can trade Euro GBP today, or maybe in recent days if we are gonna trade this on daily time frame for like a bigger gain. So that's all. Thank you for watching.